Alright, we're back in part 2. I think the final of the test is done. And it's done and sorted. Reflect.
Michael,
Hi.
Todd, this gentleman wants to have a word with you.
Yes?
Okay.
Just while I'm testing the fire alarm, I just need you to not come downstairs
Yeah.
for like the next 15 minutes or so.
Yeah.
Is that okay, yeah?
Remain in your bed.
Yeah.
Yeah, please,
Thank
as
you.
long as the alarm is going on.
Yeah.
Michael. Hello, Michael. This gentleman wants to have a word with you.
Yeah. It's really cloudy today, especially it's going to be the busiest storm I've ever seen. Oh, wow. Wow. Next 15 minutes.
Good morning, sir. Morning, sir.
I'll be in the next 16 minutes, so. It's going to be more longer than they thought, so be prepared. Okay. I should recognize, for now, I should recognize.
Sorry,
Oh.
mate.
Alright
Can I just ask you to remain in the bedroom so I can't have any noise out here?
then.
Cheers, thank you.
Alright. Alright. Or something. Alright, so about to do a final about more longer than thought. We did it 2 times, and now we're going to do it 3 times. So that's. So this is what it's going to feel, this is what's going to happen. Right now, but there's a chair, I don't know what a chair is doing there. Wow, I can't believe it. I can't believe what it's been, what it is, but Pepper's going to do it now. So yeah. So yeah. Wow. Okay. Think I'm gonna change or something as well. So that man comes here to tell you it was gonna be a fire alarm. Well, test. So that this morning. So that early this morning, whatever. So that is probably, I thought I was gonna do it in the afternoon or what. So I'll do it early on at 9 o'clock. So.
No, but let me set you ladies up with some beer nuts.
If I put again, so I'll put in this earphones on and put on my AirPods too. So in case, just in case.
Alright. So, how'd it go?
You did good.
Great. I'm officially a bartender's wife.
A bartender's wife. Wow.
They've got.
The other side, they look strong, but as a team together, we're looking very solid, especially at the back.
Cool. Further the back from the back to us, me.
Saints look for a second goal, but are thwarted by a fired-up Garuda.
Garuda. Garuda.
Defense is really being put to the test as they weather attack
Weather attack.
after attack.
It sounds like Paul Gray.
The game is nearly over.
But it sounds like different to Paul Gray. I have no idea.
Oh no, Garuda.
Garuda. Wow.
Throwing away a lead that late into the game.
Garuda.
It's just
Select.
heartbreaking, especially when you're expected to win, you're expected to be on top. I think it's quite disappointing.
That's what he called it. So disappoint. That's what he called it. A disappointment.
1-1.
But we'll still keep trying, still going strong. We'll still keep going on. 1-1. Saints and Garuda select.
And to be honest, I think Danny was quite disappointed in us because there were moments in the game where we dropped our heads and we weren't good enough. And I think as an academy team, we need to see through those moments and always keep your head up and play.
Always keep your head up straight.
Southampton aren't
So, yeah.
happy with the result.
See you next time, guys. Take care.
Offers